Welcome to Bond Hair Bar. I am your host, Vanessa Loren. Today, we are going to explain why hair loss is such a problem nationally and how our masterclass training will create solutions in your hair salon business, even if the county has mandated a shutdown. Let's hear first from our founder, Emily Wyant. So tell me, Emily, why are you creating this masterclass?
I'm creating a masterclass because I want to help educate other stylists on how to do hair extensions properly to prevent breakage and help women and men with hair loss.
Fantastic. Is this going to increase a stylist's sales?
Absolutely. Hair extensions are about 300 to 400% more expensive than a haircut. And it's a specialty item, so everybody wants to go to someone who specializes in something.
Absolutely.
And hair extensions are huge. As you know, as we age, our hair just becomes thinner with age. So we're always gonna want hair extensions. And with the way things are in the world today, our appearance is everything. This is going to include a perfect consultation, do an analysis on the hair, being able to match the hair type up with the appropriate method of hair extension to prevent breakage. And we're gonna learn 3 of my favorite strand by strand hair extensions, which are the hair extensions that go underneath the crown and just hang. And then we're gonna learn a braid and sew technique where we can do non-surgical hair replacements on top. Then we're gonna learn toupees and hair replacement systems for people that have almost no hair.
Oh, wow. Mm-hmm. So they're getting a lot out of this.
A lot of information.
Wow, that's amazing.
Anybody who takes this course is going to be a hair loss specialist, a hair extension specialist, and learn everything they need to know about hair replacement systems.
So that's exactly what they're going to get when they take this program. Okay. So how fast can a stylist implement the new techniques then?
That's a good question. So I'm thinking that each one of the strand by strand hair extensions are going to take probably about a month to 3 to really get a good handle on them. And then the more intricate methods like the braiding and sewing techniques, that took me about a good year to get good at it. And then the more I did it, the more I learned other methods and techniques to make things look more natural. So it's, we're always gonna continue to get better. And then the hair replacement systems, that's probably gonna take a good 6 months to do. It's pretty easy, and especially coming from a stylist that's been doing it for a long time, you'll have an advantage of knowing how to make things look natural. And then I just teach you how to do the service.
Wonderful. So then you gotta just implement that old school term of practice makes perfect, right?
Exactly.
Yeah.
So I basically started putting a huge emphasis on doing a consultation. So we're doing an analysis on the hair strand. So we're figuring out what size their hair strand is, how much density they have, what their hair elasticity is. So that way, when we're learning about weight distributions with different types of hair extensions, it practically eliminates breakage. And that is how I'm different from most hair extension specialists.
How does this training program work then?
So this is going to be uploaded onto an LMS system, which is a learning management system on the internet. And they'll be able to go to bondhairbar.com and go to our training tab and be able to download the program. So with that, you're going to learn consultation, hair analysis, you're gonna get all of my distributors to get all the hair, and learn all of the methods of hair extensions, and have hands-on training with me.
That's wonderful. Mm-hmm. Yeah, well, this was really exciting. Thank you so much for answering all of my questions about your masterclass that you have that you're going to offer for stylists.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for coming. I appreciate you.
Wonderful to meet you.
Awesome, you too.